Welcome to the demo of Maventic's Retail Merchandise Planning Suite. As an introduction, it's a comprehensive, integrated solution designed to empower your organization at every level through strategic and operational planning. Envision this: channel level planning, geographical and material group level planning, a comprehensive view of your inventory, and an open-to-buy provision, all enhanced with predictive, actionable insights right at your fingertips. And that's not all. Our planning books, created with SAP Analytics Cloud, pulls data from either SAP S/4HANA or CAR systems or both, and seamlessly exports to Excel, allowing you to streamline planning directly within the familiar Excel interface. First off, our landing page offers users an insightful solution brief and clear usage guidelines. Navigation buttons guide you to the relevant planning books. The dashboard is your compass, presenting crucial KPIs for a holistic overview of your organization's vital metrics. Get an overview of planned versus actual variance, as well as engage with geomap visualizations. Our solution caters to both top-down and bottom-up approaches. Strategically plan at the channel level, make tactical decisions on a geographical scale, or dive deep into granular product hierarchy planning. The channel level planning book provides top-level management swift access to strategic planning for the next 3 years across various sales channels. The magic lies in our data actions, simplifying data transfers between versions and periods, streamlining your planning process. For instance, consider a scenario where a company aims for 15% year-on-year growth. By copying the previous year's actual data and augmenting the retail section by 15%, the resulting values flow down to the geographical level post-approval. Country or regional managers find the ally in the geographical level planning book. It converts channel level plans into actionable strategies for territories under their control. It segments into region and location levels. The unique location level planning accommodates comparable and non-comparable outlets. Customizable drivers allocate plan values, ensuring tailored precision. Empowering outlet managers, product hierarchy level planning tailors strategies for distinct departmental needs. Delve into granular planning, optimizing store-specific sales plans from the geographical level. Local customer preferences, demographics, and past performance metrics drive informed decisions. The beating heart of retail, inventory management. Our solution equips you with high-level and granular inventory reports. Take charge with open-to-buy planning, efficiently calculating permissible purchases without straining budgets or stock. Leverage SAC's predictive prowess to forecast inventory levels and align them with planned data. Elevate your organization's planning prowess with Maventic's Retail Merchandise Planning Suite. It's your master key to unlock growth, efficiency, and success. Reach out to us at experts@maventic.com to learn more and propel your retail planning to unprecedented heights.